guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you something cute and fun for Easter, and these make great Easter gifts. For this DIY, you're going to need a Peep yard sign, and I picked mine up at Walmart. You're going to need some 2.5-inch width ribbon, some 1.5-inch width ribbon, a twine carrot from Dollar Tree, 2 zip ties, and your scissors to get started. First, you're going to let out a tail, then pinch your ribbon together, and you're going to make a loop, pinch it together, and this is about a 3.5-inch loop. Let out some more ribbon, make another loop on the right side, pinch it together, and add it to your hand. I like to hold my ribbon in my left hand. Let out some more ribbon, make another loop the same size as your first loop. And this ribbon does have wire in it, so pinch it together and add it to your left hand or right hand, whichever hand you're most comfortable using. Check to make sure your loops are the same size. Let out some more ribbon, make another loop the same size as your other loops, just add it to your hand. Let out a tail, and I'm just cutting my ribbon at a slant or a knife cut. Then I'm going to add the 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire on top of the first color. So let out a tail, place it directly on top of the first color. Then we're going to make a loop, check to make sure it's the same size as the other loops. Make another loop on the other side, check your loops to make sure they're the same size. Let out a tail. Now we have a beautiful bow to dress up our little sign. Now I'm taking a zip tie and going to wrap it around the center of my bow, but before I tighten the zip tie very tight, I'm going to take my second zip tie, slide it under, that way I can attach my bow easily to the little wood piece on the little yard sign. Now I'm just going to go back and make sure the ends are cut like I want. I just want them cut at a slant, or you could dovetail the ends. It's just whichever way you prefer. So make sure you do all the tails, and then I'm going to fluff and shape my bow. So I like to put my hand in each loop and open it up and fluff my bow, and sometimes this takes just a little bit of time, and then place my tails all going in the same direction. And you'll want to use ribbon with wire because the bow will just hold its shape better, the loops just stand up, and it's just easier to work with. Now I'm going to take my zip tie and just go right below the little peep and zip tie my bow to the little yard sign. You can do this with whatever kind of sign that you would like. I'm just making mine for Easter, but you can do this with any sign for any holiday or season. I'm just giving you some ideas. And then I took a Dollar Tree twine carrot and added it to the center of my bow. And here it is, guys. And I filled 2 flower pots on my front porch full of these little peeps. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you have a happy Easter.